Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 5 in how to create a dropshipping store using Shopify. Now in the previous video guys, we went ahead and learned how to create our different pages like our contact and about pages. Now in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and take it a step further and we're going to go ahead and create our navigation menu so that customers can go through our store very easily. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. So once we're on our Shopify dashboard, we're going to scroll over to our left side once again, and we're going to scroll down to our store tab. Go ahead and click that. And once we do that, guys, we're going to scroll down to our navigation sub tab. So right where my cursor is on the bottom left, go ahead and click that. And once we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is our navigation page. And on the right over here, guys, we have our two menu options available to us. We have our footer menu and our main menu. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and begin customizing our main menu. So let's go ahead and click this option right here. And when we do that, guys, we will be directed to this page right here, which is our main menu page. And now we can go ahead and begin customizing it. So the first thing we can do, guys, is we can go ahead and give it a new title. However, I would recommend keeping it the way it is because it's very simple to understand. Then we can go ahead and scroll down right here where we see our two different menu buttons. The first one being our home button, the second one being our catalog button. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create two new menu buttons, one for our about page and the second one for our contact page. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go ahead and click this button right here. So once we do that, we can go ahead and give our first menu button a name. We will call it contact. So once we have that done, we're going to go ahead and link this button. So let's go ahead and press this link option right here. And we're going to go ahead and link it to our pages. So go ahead and click that and then make sure you select the contact page. So once we have that done, guys, what this essentially means is that this button right here is linked to our correct contact page. So that's pretty cool. So once we have that done, go ahead and press the option right here to put it in. And there we go. We can see we have our contact button created. Now once we have that done, guys, we're going to go ahead and repeat the same step for our about page. So go ahead and press the button again. This time call it about and let's go ahead and link it. And let's link it to our pages and link it to our About Us page. So once we have that done, go ahead and press the confirmation button. And there we go, guys. Now we have two new menu buttons created. So once we have that done, guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and further customize it. You can go ahead and reposition these buttons however you want. So let's say, for example, if you want to put this button over here, we can simply drag and drop wherever you want it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So once we have that done, one final touch that I want to put in is I'm going to go ahead and replace this catalog menu button with a product title. So let's go ahead and click this button right here and let's rename it products because I think it's more mainstream. Okay, so once we have that done, press the apply changes button. And there we go, guys. We have our 4 navigation menu buttons and they look very nice. So once we have these changes in place, go ahead and press the save button on the top right. Let's give it a second while it's saved. And there we go. We have our menu saved. Now once we have that done, guys, let's just have a confirmation. Let's go back to our contact page right here and let's go ahead and refresh it. And once we do that, guys, we should see our 4 navigation menu buttons right here. So that's pretty cool. And we can see that they're completely functional. If we go ahead and click the about page right here, we can see that it directs us to the correct page. So with that said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. We learned how to create our navigation menu buttons and I will see you in the next video.